Hello, everyone. My name is Craig Lewis. I'm a master's student with the Big Data Analytics program at San Diego State. I did a capstone project on From SNAP Reductions to Neighborhood Hunger, how the HR1B cuts and changes may affect our community members here in San Diego, and to kind of help project what those changes might look like. The project did change a little bit during the development as I kind of realized there's not enough variables to kind of help determine the exact demographics of the areas based on the census tract, but let's get into it. This is our website here to kind of navigate, to check out the project, but essentially why it matters. San Diego and hunger, you might not hear about any deaths from hunger, but nutrition is a big issue, such as anemia and other health risks. And there's a lot of areas in San Diego that do not have access to nutritious meals, and they tend to just eat whatever is available, worsening overall health. So with this capstone website, it's divided into different resources here. I wanted to provide some of the major players here in San Diego. CalFresh is the primary benefits that people would use. Feeding San Diego is a big distributor, and San Diego Food Bank is kind of like a collection of different distributors. So this is the existing infrastructure, but a lot of this is going to need to be bolstered. I did run an analysis and I created a food access index, kind of looking at these primary variables here, normalizing them, and then turning them into a nice and fancy equation, or I called it the food access index, to kind of outline who needs it the most. Factors such as not having a vehicle, being on SNAP program, being working age, rent being relatively high, unemployment being high, and then this is also their poverty levels in the census tract. After running the analysis, I determined these areas are the highest need based on the formula. We could see that actually a few of them are in East County, with the rest of them being sporadic throughout the city. Along with the SWOT analysis and an About Me page. I did want to touch upon the map. So this is the map of San Diego that I created, but I did also add on other layers for ACS, so you could kind of see where the immigrants live, where the poverty levels are, where the housing costs are, and kind of more of the demographic information. The key takeaway, though, after looking through all this information, was that not all of it was relevant to the food access index equation. If you need any other resources, there is ecassist.org, which has a lot of different resources for East County. I am additionally launching an East County food network as well that will be able to have providers essentially keep an active current map of different events for food distribution. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.